a 3.0 BLACK+DECKER. It's washing really, really good. It's bigger than what I thought it would be. You can actually wash a full load in it. 3.0 is about the same size as my stove. And again, it's a 3.0. A lot of people don't tell you what size it is to give you a good measurement or look on or of the machine. You see how it's washing it. It actually loads. It's a portable, but with this portable, you actually get to the water goes in by itself. It comes out by itself, and it spins. Here's the front part of it. You can put it on whatever wash you may want. You can have large, medium, or small load. I'm using cold because my cold water is the only thing that is connected. It's connected to my kitchen sink. But it's really a nice size. I'm very appalled by it. I like the size of it, and the inside of it is really big. I hope I gave you all the information that you needed on it. Y'all have a very blessed day.